Good night. Unit 3, Group 57. Technology Negotiation. Student name Jamie Durani Castro. Tutor name Juan Carlos Amezquita. Day Thursday, May 5, 2022. Problems to negotiation biotechnological products. The problem to negotiate biotechnological products that are evident in the companies are the following. Problem relate to the project of intellectual property. The invention present is a discovery. Public evidence adverse to the biotechnological application by safety regulation problems with product diffusion systems like strategic interests of corporation to acquire protection. Problem relates to valued technology, like of methodologies to estimate the value of intelligence as appraised is as part of the organization equals, lack of information on production costs, ignorance of license, patent, or similar agreements. Problem relates to the negotiation, work with the win-loss negotiation strategies. Blockchain in the negotiation do the difference chart be both parties. No agreements are reached regarding the payments for the patentability to the acquired. Definition and advantage of the business model selection. Business model agreements for license, representation, and distribution of a novel final product. Definition are commercial rights granted to the sell or exploit a product in a specific territory. Considering that the product is known, high values are established. Advantages: the licensor can distribute the product without any restriction. Is it not exposed to risk in clinical development? A payment exemption might be applied for the whole of the license. Both parts are important in the development and product distribution, therefore they share rich benefits. The recommendation for each problem defined in the chart implementing the business model select. Regarding the problem related to the protection of the intellectual property biotechnological product, it is recommended to comply with the safety regulation standards present in innovative products and improved product dissemination system, such that the book is now and increase the license level. Regarding the value of the technology, is it advisable to know the methodologies to estimate its value. Now the total cost of production and final share the market for similar products to compare production costs and benefits. Three recommendations of each problem defined in the chart implementation the business model selection. Regarding the negotiation, the parties must try to balance the benefits and loss in the proposed strategy as well as reaching ultimate agreements on the payments of the sum. This will help to the mind communication with the negotiation. Thank you. Bye.